Hello Geminis, this is career reading for the month of August 2017. I will be doing separate reading for love and career. So the message for the month of August is that you are having a very brilliant idea. Might be possible that you are going to get an idea or already you are working on that idea, and your idea is divinely guided, so you should take action so that your idea is you know is converted into the reality, and you have to bring that idea into fruition. Then what I can see from the cards is that in your work life you are facing some kind of competition and you are feeling a little victimized right now, or might be possible that in the previous months this was your feeling. And what I feel is that you have to be very cautious, and you should not trust anyone blindly in your workplace, and you should not share your ideas with everyone, whatever, because this idea is a very good idea, and what I feel is that you should not share it with everyone, because most of the people right now who are surrounding you in your workplace, they can be your rivalries, and you don't know a person now what they are feeling, you don't know what their intentions are, you don't know. So it is better to be cautious, and what I feel is that this feeling will go off very soon, and then you will have a very wonderful news on its way. And whatever smart choices you have already made in the past, so some rewards are definitely due. Might be possible you made some investments in the previous months of this year, and now you are going to get the benefits. So, and might be possible you will get some public recognition because of the hard work you had put in, and you might put in the month of August. One more thing which I can see is that you are going to recollect your childhood memories. Might be possible childhood memories means might be possible your school days, your college days, and these memories are the good memories which are going to make you more optimistic. So these memories are going to instill confidence in you, that might be possible that you are feeling stuck right now, you're not feeling very good right now, but these memories will bring optimism into your life and they will motivate you. It might be possible that you will there will be some kind of incident which happened in the past, or maybe the time when things were not going the way you wanted them to be, and after some struggles and after some hard work which you had put in, or some good decisions which you made, you had come out of those bad times, or you can say the struggling times. So I think this is going to help you in the current situation, and it is also a very good time when you can go after your dreams. I have done only 2 readings till now, and in all the readings it is showing that the amount of creative energy in the month of August is going to be very high. Till now for 3 sun signs I could see that, and I somehow feel that whatever ideas are coming right now to you, you can definitely go ahead with them, because those are being guided by the universe, and universe wants you to go ahead with those ideas. The only thing is that you have to manage your resources very wisely. You should know where you are putting your money. And one more thing which I could see is that in this month it might be possible for most of you that you will hang out with your hold on to your finances, and you will not spend money that much. And I think it is some way good for you only, because whatever project you are doing right now, or whatever goals you have set for the coming months, For that you need your finances, and you should not spend them without thinking. You should spend them wisely. So I think it is a good thing that if you're holding on to your finances, but don't hold on to your finances too much. Like, there should be some balance between that. Okay, so, and I feel that lot of creative energy is there, and might be possible you will be going to some seminars or some, you know, training kind of thing, because whatever long term projects you are going to do in the coming months, those requires you to build some kind of skills, and for that you need to do some kind of training or some kind of research. So it will be a very good thing, and you have, you know, come a long way. It's not like that you are starting just right now, because you have come a long way and you have experienced a lot. There is a possibility that many people are going to come to you for some kind of advice, and you are like this King of Cups. You will be very compassionate with others, and you are going to help them with their you know, struggles regarding the career. So it is a very good position, because people are trusting you and your abilities, that how you have come up, you know, with those struggling times or with the hard times, or might be possible some small issue also, but you resolved it with, you know, a lot of, you know, what should I say, you resolved it wisely. So people will have, you know, a respect for you, and there will be people who will celebrate your success. So it is a very beautiful time. What I feel is that you have to just, you know, go ahead with your idea. Don't feel that your idea, whether it is good or bad, or whether it is, you know, going to go in the right direction. I think that positive energy is with you. The sun is with you. I feel like that the sun energy, the fire energy is with you. So definitely you should go ahead with your idea. Just be careful with the co-workers, with your competitors. Don't discuss your ideas openly. Just, you know, before sharing it with others, be a little cautious. And I think you can be secretive. It is perfectly fine. See, rather than having competitors know your idea, you can be secretive. And that is all what I can tell you from this reading. And I hope that you liked my reading. Please subscribe to my channel, and please follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.